Hello, welcome to your final video for this week. I thought it was never going to end. We are on example 5. It's just an example, so let's go ahead and get started. Example 5 says, when women turn 40, their gynecologists typically remind them that it is time to undergo a mammogram. Screening for breast cancer. The data on the table is based on 100,000 U.S. women ages 40 to 50 who participated in a mammogram. Based on this data, find the probability that a woman has a positive mammogram given that she does not have breast cancer. So we want to find the probability that she has a positive test given she does not have breast cancer, so given no cancer. So this is sort of those conditional ones like before. So again, we're going to look at that second half to figure out what goes on the bottom. So we want our total number of people without cancer. So notice there are 99,200 people who do not have cancer. Again, let's actually write that down so you know what we did. So on the bottom, we want the total of no cancer. And then on the top, you want the no cancer, I'm going to do no C, and positive. So on the bottom, our total with no cancer is this number here, 99,200. And then our total of people who didn't have cancer but had a positive mammogram was 6,944. Again, we are going to put this in a calculator, 6,944 divided by 99,200. I get 0.07, which is the same as 7 over 100. You can simplify. You could leave it as a decimal. I don't really know what your homework asked you to do. Either one is valid. All right, your last one. It says, we want to find the probability that someone does not have breast cancer given that she had a positive mammogram. So we want the probability of no cancer, so no C, given they had a positive test. So again, on top, we'll actually do the bottom first. On the bottom, we want the total that were positive. On the top, we want the number that were positive and had no cancer. So my total who were positive, if I go to my positive and go across, 7,664. And then we want the total number of positive and no cancer. Oops, that is not a highlighter, awkward, which was 6,944. Again, we'll divide those. It simplifies down to 434 divided by 479. Again, you don't have to try to guess and check that. Do it in your calculator. But as a decimal, that's 0.91 if you round to one decimal place. Or two decimal places, I guess. All right, that is all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your teacher.